morning, before I even ate breakfast, I decided I'd better take care of the cantaloupe that I had. These are 1/4 pint jars. I have 10 of them. That's what it made. This was only half of a cantaloupe. I'll go ahead and cover that back up, because I don't know if you have to keep them covered after you process them, but I like to. I've heard several of them pop already, and I have just a little bit left over here that didn't fit into a jar. And you can see it's gelled up fairly good. I like the taste of it. It's the first time I've made cantaloupe jam. So what I did, I had half of a cantaloupe. I kind of cut it into irregular sized pieces, stuck it in my blender just for a few pulses so that it was not quite pureed, but close. Then I popped that into a pan and cooked it. And I didn't really have a recipe. My first thought was I should cook it down like you do watermelon preserves, but then I thought, no, it's not. I didn't. I thought, okay, I'm just gonna, what I did was take my Sure-Gel, popped it in there and did the 1 minute boiling, and then I tossed in a whole bunch of Splenda, and then I put it in the jars and processed it in a water bath for 15 minutes, and there you go. And if you like the taste of cantaloupe, you'll like this. It's mild. That's the main thing I like about it. A little bit on a piece of toast for breakfast. Oh, it was good. So, a new experience for me. And hopefully I've explained enough for you to be able to do it too, if you'd like. There's my pickles from yesterday. And my cantaloupe jam. And I didn't even know until I went looking for jars that they made quarter pint jars. But that's good, because that way we'll be sure to use up the jar before it tends to go a little on the funny side after we've opened it. So that's my little teaching blurb for the day. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next video. May the good Lord richly bless you.